This is the anti-cutter A-250, one of the simplest snap-off knives you'll find. But is it still worth using today? Let's find out. The A-250 has been around for decades, and it represents anti-cutter's approach to a clean, functional utility knife. It's a 9mm class model, slim, lightweight, and designed for precision cutting. But in a world full of fancier, more feature-heavy knives, does this straightforward design hold up? The A-250 is all about simplicity. The body is made of durable chemical-resistant resin with clean straight lines. Nothing flashy, just efficient. It's extremely lightweight, making it comfortable to carry or keep in a pencil case without bulk. The handle doesn't have grip texture, but it has mild grooves which prevent slipping. The general feeling is like holding a classic drafting tool rather than a rugged utility knife. The construction is solid, prioritizing function over looks. Mechanically, it's as simple as it gets. A standard alloy slider holds the blade in place. It takes standard 9mm blades, so replacements are easy to find. 30-degree blades fits with no problem. There's no onboard blade storage. You get a straight track and a reliable lock, and that's it. A small detail I like, the tailpiece itself acts as a snapper to expose sharp edge, so no need for separate tool. In use, the A-250 is surprisingly capable. The slim body makes it easy to control for detailed cut, like trimming paper or vinyl sheet. It handles light to medium duty tasks like cardboard just fine. The blade doesn't wobble in the track, which is critical for any snap-off knife. For delicate cutting, the slimness of the body is an advantage. Snapping the blade is quick and clean. So here's a quick breakdown. Pros: it is extremely lightweight and slim. Simple and reliable design for left or right hand use. Inexpensive and widely available. Excellent control for precision work. The handle is made out of chemical resistant resin, and you have a built-in snapping tool to the handle. Cons: there's no blade storage. It is very minimal, not for heavy duty use, and for some, the handle might appear too smooth or even slippery. If you're wondering how it stacks up, here are a few knives for comparison. This is the anti-cutter A-250, the A-300, in this case this is the die-cast aluminum version, the Kai S003, and that one is an old Alpha A which belonged to my grandfather. The A-250 feels a little squared off in the design, while other models are softer curves, like the A-300 for example. Deciding which one you prefer really comes down to design taste. The anti-cutter A-250 is a no-frills reliable utility knife. If you want a slim, precise cutter that doesn't get in your way, this is a great choice. But if you prefer a handle with more curves, you might want to step up to the A-300 or other models. For me, the A-250 proves that sometimes less really is more. If you found this review helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more snap-off knife reviews.